With 30 years experience in the electronic LED sign industry, we at LEDsynergy feel that we know the industry inside out and have grown with its development over the years. In that time, we've become a market leader in our field, and we are totally dedicated to bringing you, the customer, the best possible solution to your display requirements. From your initial inquiry, our sales team will determine exactly which product best suits your application. Our technical engineers are available to assist our customers wherever necessary, from installation, software, networking and testing, to commissioning, training and technical support. We have a wide range of programmable LED displays from all types of applications, from simple single colour single line signs through to complex displays with bespoke casings, specially designed software and full colour LEDs. With in-house engineers from both board and software design, we are able to integrate displays to a wide range of third-party software and devices, as well as offering a full design and build service. Running behind me are a small selection of some of the display systems that we have supplied and built. As preferred suppliers to many household names, working to national and international standards, we can supply the solution you need. Please phone or email us with details of your application and we will be pleased to help.